Hello there YouTube, we are back with a bike reveal this time, not a review. The review was done, only I hadn't pressed record on the GoPro a couple of weeks back. But this time just let's have a clip to it. I'll show you around the bike now. Let's have a look. Yes, it is the BMW F900 in triple black. Oh, love it. Look at that light, how the R just comes up there. I got it, I couldn't say no. I got it in, they've given me everything at a brilliant price. We got the dynamic suspension, quick shifter, cruise control, heated grips, sat nav mount. They've given me everything on it, and I just couldn't say no at the price. I did do the review, the first ride review when I test rided it, but I pressed the record button and turned it off. Stupid, so I couldn't do it. So I will do a review on this soon. This was just a bike reveal video just to show you what we've got, and I think it looks brilliant in this triple black spec. Oh, it's a nice bike this, I like it. Only a short video, just taking you around the bike, letting you have a look at it for the first time. I will be doing a review on it, a more in-depth review on it. I did do the first ride review, but I stupidly pressed the record button when I put my helmet on, and then when I walked over to the bike to get on it, I pressed the record button again and obviously stopped the recording. Did the full review without recording it. So yeah, I will be doing another review on it. I'll get used to the bike first and bring out a more in-depth review on this one. But yeah, it is fully loaded with everything on it. I got it for absolute steal. So yes, this is where we're at. Thanks for watching. If you like that video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and we'll see you again on the next one. See you later.